Today we're diving into the fascinating world of brain, genetics, and how they all play together in our mental health. Let's talk about heredity, our genetic blueprint. Hereditability is like the family heirloom of our traits, passed down through generations. Genetics isn't the whole story, it's a polygenic puzzle, meaning lots of genes. Think of them as tiny players work together with environmental triggers to shape who we are. These triggers could be anything from stress to diet, like how too much caffeine might make you jittery. Within this genetic mix, certain genes like NEGR1 and CLF4 are like the brain's little backstage helpers. NEGR1 influences brain volume and social behavior. Imagine as the director of your social interactions. CLF4, on the other hand, regulates sodium channel function, which is crucial for nerve communication. Speaking of brain regions, the hippocampus is our memory library, while the amygdala is the emotional alarm system, fired up when you see a spider or get a surprise birthday party. The prefrontal cortex is the boss, making decisions and controlling impulses like your brain CEO. The hypothalamus is the tiny but mighty regulator of hunger, sleep, and even mood. Neurotransmitters are like the messengers: serotonin, dopamine, norepinephrine, the brain's own delivery service. The monoamine pathway involves these chemicals, and their deficiency can lead to mood issues. That's where monoamine oxidase inhibitors and the SSRIs come in. They're like traffic cops, preventing the breakdown of serotonin and norepinephrine so they can stick around longer to boost your mood. The glutamate system is the brain's excitement squad. This neurotransmitter is involved in learning and memory. Think of N-methyl-deaspartate receptors as the gates that control glutamate's entry. Too much glutamate can be a problem, like that overly enthusiastic party guest, leading to neurotoxicity. Some medications block these receptors to calm things down. Brain health isn't just chemical, it's also cellular. Neurotrophic factors like brain-derived neurotrophic factor are the fertilizer for neurons, promoting neurogenesis and preventing neuronal atrophy. Stress throws a wrench through the HPA axis, releasing cortisol, the stress hormone that can cause brain structures to shrink faster than your favorite sweater. Gut microbes are also part of this intricate dance. They produce metabolites that influence immune activity and brain function. Treatment options are just as diverse. Medications like selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, even more experimental approaches like deep brain stimulation or transcranial magnetic stimulation are high-tech tools to nudge the brain back into balance. Remember, your brain is a supercomputer, and just like any software, sometimes needs updates and repairs. Taking care of your mind is the best investment you can make. Thanks for joining me on this brainy adventure.